Today I am in Kayaköy, exploring the largest abandoned village in the whole of Turkey. Once known as Levisi, the abandoned village of Kayaköy was once home to around 10,000 people, including Muslims, Orthodox Christians, and it was a thriving and amazing community. Origins of the village go back as far as the 14th century and was forcefully abandoned by the end of the Greco-Turkish War, and a population exchange meant that the Muslims and Christians were exchanged between Greece and Turkey so that each country could claim one major religion. Yeah, it really shows how old these buildings are when you can see how much nature has taken it over. When more than 6,000 Christians suddenly left, they only left behind their beautiful stone homes and churches behind. Sadly, by 1957, a large earthquake also took toll on the abandoned town, causing major damage to the buildings. So actually, I think one of the places I just videoed, some people are living here, and he was actually selling souvenirs. So you can do kind of like a big loop of the town, so I think that's what I'm going to do now. The temperature's cooled down a bit, it's a lot more shady, so it's more pleasant to walk around. I mean, I came all this way, so I might as well enjoy it where I can. It was amazing to walk around and see all the buildings as they stand now.